Seems like every day I read a story about AI capability that blows my mind. It's amazing the kind of capabilities that are becoming available and are being projected in the very near future. How do you cope with that in your business? It's going to disrupt how you hire, how you serve your clients, and even if you can. So while I don't have the specific answers for this because I don't know what's going to happen any more than anyone else does, I do see a few things that are really going to be important for businesses that are able to succeed in this changing world. So first, it's really important to take stock and really understand, peel away the product, the words, the capabilities, and understand what's the actual value that your prospects and customers get from working with you. Is it purely mechanical? Is it purely information, or is it not related to your relationship with them? That could include support as well as services, other kind of work. Really need to understand that because there are businesses that AI's capability will fully replace as they stand today. So it's better to know now than later if there's a change that you need to make in your business so that your value transcends the AI capability growth. Secondly, when it comes to how you work with your clients and how you communicate with your clients and your prospects, you want to go against the natural urge to turn up the volume. AI content is growing. AI's capabilities to communicate are expanding every day. That means that your clients are getting barraged with ever more information, messages, emails, videos, whatever it might be. Your opportunity is counterintuitive, and that is to find a way to choose the right things to do and do them in a real authentic way for your business so that they can see through all the noise and find your authentic, valuable, productive communications. How that actually exists is going to change monthly and annually for sure. But you want to resist the urge to just try to keep up with the volume of the robots. And then finally, I believe that at the end, the most human wins in business. Because of this growth in AI and all it can do, it's going to become uniquely interesting when your client is able to have a relationship with you that they believe and they trust is authentically human, because they're going to be hungry for that. And while that's not true for every business, I think it's something for you to think about. How can you be more human in how you present your business to your clients? That might mean more in-person events. Um, we all have to figure out how to do that. The answer is definitely not to act like an AI and be just another one in the crazy crowd of robots.